Hey, honey, what you got there?
Popcorn from Dairy Queen. Want to try?
Sure.
It's good, huh?
Hey, wait a second.
What?
This isn't popcorn, you idiot. It's popcorn shrimp!
Oh, I...
Attention all residents of Vion City. This broadcast is to notify that there's a group outside holding guns and attacking people. Lock your doors, turn off all the lights, close the windows and curtains, hide in your basement and bring a portable radio, and stay there until further notice. If you do not have a basement, then hide in your bathtub or closet, and stay quiet as possible. Please be safe. As long as you don't panic, everything will be safe.
Still got it, Donald. Still got it.
Call now and get 3 or more medium one-topping pizzas for just $5 each. Get the door. It's the Domino's 555.
Disney's Pirates of the Caribbean Dead Man's Chest. Prepare to battle on Isla Cruces. A tower with a trapdoor, breakaway ladder, pulley system, and the runaway mill wheel. Isla Cruces playset and deluxe pirate figures, each sold separately from Zizzle. Look for Captain Jack on the pack.
Bingo.
Digital units code yellow in aisle 5. Hi, Mrs. Johnson.
Can we help you with your groceries?
Rich chocolatey Nestle Nesquik.
Attention everyone, it is now safe to come out of your hiding places. The EAS alert that y'all heard was a false alarm. There is no group outside holding guns and attacking people. Someone allegedly hacked into the control panel and made a fake EAS alert, and you can watch the news for more information of what just happened, and we are sorry for the inconvenience.
Riley, you see what you did now? Now we have to pay a fine of $100,000 because you traumatized so much people and were sent to several hospitals.
That's it. You are grounded for 5798631393957983084849579958597 years.
Turn off your TV
Right now. And don't come out until your grounding time is over. Wow.